Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can create portrait melting effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's open up the Photoshop and start making this effect. So here we have the image of this beautiful young lady here. So what you have to do is to press Ctrl J to make a copy of it, and then you have to select the below layer and Ctrl B to change the saturation and make it grayscale. Then you have to select the top layer. I have the image of this chocolate splash. You have to drag it and just paste it here and make it sure that it is in between these two layers, and select the top layer and decrease its opacity so that you can see the chocolate splash layer. Now what you're gonna do is to wrap the chocolate layer around your image. So let me quickly do this. So after you're done wrapping, select the top layer and increase the opacity to 100% again, and then hold Alt and press between these two layers. Now apply mask on the top layer, select the brush, use black color, and I adjust the softness of the brush, and opacity I use here is 34%, and flow 10%, and smoothing is 10%. So you have to change the value of it according to your image to get the desired result. With this setting, I paint over the edges of the image. So once we are done with the edges, select the chocolate layer, and what you're gonna do is to apply brightness contrast adjustment layer on it. You have to adjust the value of it according to your image. So I select brightness 110 and contrast is about 56. You can change the value of it according to your need, and then click OK. Now the last step is you have to select the chocolate layer, double click on it, and in the blending options apply drop shadow and adjust the angle. So I adjust the angle so it looks good. You can change the angle according to your image. So this is how you can create portrait melting effect. Click on OK. Like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comment section what you're gonna see next.